So the Datsun has just been sitting here, begging for an engine and transmission and interior and everything else as far as that goes. I kind of got hung up on trying to put a K24 motor in here, but after I realized the adapter kit was literally like $2,500 excluding a clutch. It came with the flywheel and everything to make it work, but not gonna do that. Not gonna put that much money into this car. This is gonna be a cheap drift car, just, you know, trying to get it roadworthy again. So we'll shove that V8 in here. Obviously we need an interior, maybe a dash, definitely a steering wheel, and then, you know, we'll work out all the kinks after getting the motor installed. This is the new donor vehicle for the Datsun. It is a 2002 GMC Yukon. So let's go ahead and check her out. Obviously we don't really care about the interior, but it does have a full interior. So we're probably gonna sell this after we pull the motor out. Let's go ahead and see if this whole girl will crank up. It's a kind of brisk Sunday morning. So she starts right up. Let's let her warm up and we'll check her out. Do a compression test and everything. It doesn't look too bad in here. Definitely gonna take it to the car wash and power wash this thing before we pull the motor, just so we're not dealing with a dirty engine bay. She's a little warm now. She's got, looks like just under 40 psi on oil pressure, so it looks to be good. Put a lightweight flywheel on this thing, mated with a manual transmission, and it should rev a lot faster. I think I'm also gonna cam this engine just to make it have some kind of a lope. She's still running great, so. Might have a slight exhaust leak on this side, but that's okay. We're going to use new manifolds and everything. We're just basically going to refresh this engine a little bit before we shove it in the Datsun. After these guys pass, we're gonna probably stand on it a little bit, see if she'll do a little burnout. Well, she definitely didn't do a burnout, but we tried, so. There's the car wash. Hot dog. I'm really impressed with this Yukon. It drives really well. It maintains oil pressure. It definitely doesn't overheat, and it idles down, perfectly. So this is definitely going to be a healthy engine to drop in the Datsun. So I'm pretty excited. But now let's go ahead and get it cleaned off. This is the most ridiculous looking thing I've ever done. But here we go. So awkward. It's so awkward. This dude was staring at me. Oh my god. What the hell? These are like big quarters. See this? Well, not the battery. Oops. Definitely would not recommend doing this to your engine bay. Now let's hope it starts. Woo! It's a good day. Well, she survived her road test. This motor will be sufficient to drift and do donuts, all that, burnouts in the Datsun. So we'll go ahead and start getting this prepped up to pull out.